Alright everybody, today we have a single Destin Rivals pack that I was lucky enough to get from Target. Every single time I go, they are completely cleaned out, so I got lucky. So let's see what we can get. This pack and this set has been pretty good to me so far, so hopefully we can get something going here. Alright, we have a Water Energy, a Gible. I mean, other than, a couple of original cards, this set has been pretty good to me. I'm hoping to finally get the big Mewtwo card everyone's been chasing. I've gotten every other Mewtwo card in this set. I thought that was the big Ethan's. And the base Mewtwo card. I have 4 of these. It's a very, very pretty card, but not expensive.